Hello, I'm Ray, and this is my vegetable garden. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe. Today, we're going to talk about taking some cuttings from lavender. These are some of my lavenders on my vegetable garden, and the bees love them. And the smell is good too. So we've got plenty of lavender all the way up and down, and we're going to take some cuttings for some more further down the way. So what do we need? We need some pots, we need some compost, some sharp sand, some snips, a couple of pots, and some water, and some bags that can fill over the pot. So we're looking for a stem that goes down to the hardwood, and then we're just going to give it a snip, and that can be our cutting. We're going to take about 12 cuttings, and we're going to do an experiment. Try and find leaves that have not flowered. So here we have our lavender cuttings, and these are all ready flowered, but we can trim off the flowers. So let me show you what we're going to do. First of all, we need to mix the compost with some sharp sand to give it a gritty Then we add the gritty compost into our pots. There we go. So we have our pots, and we're going to give them a good water. And then we can take our lavender plant and we chop off the flowering stem, and then we remove the lower leaves. We score the bottom, removing some of the lower stem, and then we just insert it. We do the same with all these. And you can just insert them without compound, or you can use it with a compound. Just by dipping them into the compound and sticking them in the pot. So we're going to try an experiment, and we're going to put this in practice as to which works best, if at all. So we're just removing the bottom remove the longer leaves, dip it into some water and stick it in. Once all your lavender plants, your lavender cuttings have been taken, a bit long. This ideally needs to be done in spring, but now we're in late July. It's worth a go to try and propagate some. So we've got 3 in each of these. The alternative method is to get a small pot of water, take your lavender cutting, similar process, removing the flowers, bruise the stem, and we leave it into the cup of water. So there's 3 methods. Once these have been watered, they can be kept into a dry, sunny place and kept moist. And we can cover them with a plastic bag or propagator lid, and that keeps the temperature warm. And keep the soil moist. So there we go. So 3 ways to propagate lavender. Put the pots in a warm, shaded place. Once rooting has started, usually after 4 to 6 weeks, cut the corner of the bag to increase the ventilation. Remove the bag completely after a few weeks, leaving cuttings in place until they are well rooted, then pot up individually. So here's some lavender cuttings that we took 2 weeks ago, and as you can see, some of these have survived and some haven't. So that's completely died off. Giving it a slight tug, you can feel resistance. So that one's done. This one has. This one can come in and out loosely, so that one hasn't rooted. And same with that one, and also that one, as you can see. So that one is 2, that one has 2, that one has, this one hasn't, and possibly that one. So there we go. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, so we'll come back and we will see how the lavender propagation has gone. So thank you very much. Cheers for now.